Hello there, students and teacher. In this case, I will present to you the ethnography of communication and its role in discourse analysis. Inside the topics are about discourse analysis. What is the meaning of the ethnography of communication? The ethnography of communication is a way of understand the meaning inside the language in the real life. Besides the other side about the communications inside the grammar or the structured things about the language, the ethnography of communication helps to understand better the capability to understand the other people. In this side, the ethnography of communication helps you to understand the society and its role inside the language communication. The ethnography of communication helps to understand better the different manners in the regions, for example, of the world. Inside the language, we find this type of cross-cultural and manners of the society. And in this case, when we see the images in these slides, we need to understand the better capability to connect with the people inside the language. That is the meaning of the ethnography of communication, because the role of discourse analysis is about our communication beside others and connected with the other things developed for the other people. The ethnography of communications helps you to understand better how the society thinks and be part of this type of groups. In this case, we find a image that this type of people is outside of the group. The ethnography of communication helps to this type of people connect better with this type of group. In this case, all the people communicate better and transform the way of communication. That in this case, we find a lot of images that represent the communication. The ethnography of communication that I said is a better connection with the society and this type of manners that they found inside the culture. Because inside the culture, we find a different meanings of the language and the way of communication. And in this case, the manners or even this type of characteristics that the people find inside the language. Outside of the structural communication about the language, we find the better capability to understand in the real life the communication of the people. In this case, when we find the real communication of the people, we find the real comprehension about their feelings or even the information that are given to all the people. Thank you all.